How to turn off other notifications, email notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off other notifications, email notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and then click notifications, and here you will find other notifications. Click on it and then just click this one, email, turn it off and go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.